If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. What's going on, people? It's your boy Mr. Bucket List, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. This will be a full tour showcasing everything at the thrill park on Perfect Day of Coco Cay. The island video itself is going to be a video that's coming up soon. It's just not going to be a part of this video, but this will show everything. So all the slides, the pools, even the eating areas, you all will see everything. So there'll be some timestamps below. I hope you all enjoy, and I'll see you soon. Peace out. They got so much stuff out here. Like that, for example. Oh, and you got a GoPro. Yep, I'm definitely pulling out mine. FTW. Oh, I need to change. That's right. And then you got a pirate ship for the kids when you first get in. All right, people. So now we actually are at creme de la creme of slides here at Coco Cay. Daredevil speak. So I will ride all the rides for you all and take you along. It's your boy Mr. Bucketlist. Peace out. Alright. So this is it. Alright, we're almost there.
Oh, you take all the footage up here. Morning, guys.
Morning.
Okay,
Thank you. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh wow! I'm good.
Legs on and back, okay?
Okay.
This is grip a little bit slower, so try to arch your back for it to go a little faster.
Okay.
Go ahead, you're free to go.
All right. Here we go. You wasn't lying when you said this one was slow. Man, not bad though. Man, shoot! That's me next, y'all. All right, y'all. Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
All right. So as we continue this tour, the next thing we have is the wave pool. So I don't know if this is a wave pool for kids or what, but well, nah, because it goes to 5 feet 10 inches. Oh man, this water's cold. Dude. All right, so just in case there is some copyrighted music in the background, I went ahead and muted this part, but I just want to let you all know, so this wave pool was extremely to me, it was dangerous. The waves were constant over and over again, and I mean, it was, I don't know, it looks like a kiddie area, but when you get there, it was really hard to swim. It was just really hard to stay above water, so I don't know what was going on here, but like I said, I just want to give you all a heads up about it.
All right, so we're now leaving that wave pool. Man, it's like constant wave after wave, and it's just dangerous. I thought MSC had the dangerous pools, but we got one on this island. All right, so let's keep on rolling. Now what I'm going to try to do, I think they have the little mat rides where you lay on the mat and slide down. So if they allow me to bring my GoPro on this ride, like Royal Caribbean, hands down, has the best private island. But we'll see what happens. We have like a little kids play area. That's cool. So it's like a little jungle gym across water. That's really cool. Y'all, look at these views. So nice. Here we go. Woohoo! Woohoo! Nice and smooth. I like this. Whoa, whoa! Oh, I like this. Whoa! Oh. It's so good, y'all. Oh! 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 Woo-hoo! Alright, y'all, here we go. Alright, y'all, so it is literally 10 o'clock, it's 10:12, and I've already written all 14 slides. Makes no sense. I am the best.
And just one last heads up or tip about this park, so you want to definitely come here as early as possible. As you all saw in the video, I was able to actually get everything done basically within an hour and a half. So I mean, you just want to come here as early as possible, knock everything out, because Perfect Day at Coco Cay has so much more to do. You don't want to spend a lot of time at this water park when there's so much more to do. And you don't have to, because it's so easy to get around. So like I said, come here as soon as you can, knock them all out, and then enjoy the rest of your day.
Alright, so something else they have here in the thrill park is this complimentary, almost like a little bar area. So you got ice and juice and water, and they're setting up food, so I'm guessing like burgers and stuff. So pretty cool. And you wash your hands over there, and this is where you order the food. And these are all over the place, so definitely you won't go hungry. And then this is the menu. Yeah, these bars are all over the place. Alright, so this is my meal from the Shake Shack. This burger, I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty good. I like one, but let me show you all this burger. So this is the burger, and like I said, it looks really good. And then you got the wave pool, and over here is nice and quiet. Everybody's just chilling, hanging out. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Alright. And if we keep on walking, so I already did all those slides over there. Hopefully in the video I can edit it the right way so it looks like that. But if we keep on walking, so get a better view of Daredevil Tower. Peak. And then this heads towards, if I'm not mistaken, the kid area. So yeah, it says to the ship in Splashaway Bay. So let's walk. Let's see. So one thing I love about this island is it is an abundance of not only seats but also just everything. Bandana concierge. So someone was telling me about the infused water that they have, and it is all over this place. So definitely check it out. And then I don't know if this is the exit or what. Alright. Now you got some little gift shops. And so I think this is outside of the thrill park now that I'm thinking about it. So that's pretty cool. So as usual, I don't like going in the kids area because I don't have any. But if you're curious, this is one of the kids areas.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.